Well, we got some weather rolling in, so I think I'm going to go ahead and get on over to the local yard and get rid of the shred, make some room. Get rid of this water heater. What? You didn't see me load the water heater? All right, well, I'll tell you what, while I'm closing the door here to the shark cage, let's go back and show you that. Hello, everybody. Shiver, friends, anyone who's new to the channel. It is a beautiful day for street scrapping, and that's what we are doing. Because the shark scrapper is on a mission to get stuff like that out of the trash and into a reuse, resale, or recycle stream. Water heaters always are fun. There's so many good things on water heaters usually. Right, so we'll start out with some brass. Let's get you tightened down a little bit more. There we go. Why aren't you cooperating? Come on. There you go. Now then. I may have to put a cheater bar on this one. All right, let's try the cheater bar. There we go. That's all it needed, was a little more leverage. May need that for the other one too. I just don't want to put it down on the ground, so I risk forgetting it. Nice little chunk of brass. Another chunk of brass. Man, we got some nice brass on this one. Thermostat, or at least the heat sensor for the thermostat. Well, mucky foo water leak. Not nearly as bad as I have otherwise seen. Yeah, let's see if you guys want to cut through that one too. Come on, there we go. Whew. Yuck. Man, what died inside of you? That's just nasty. I don't even know how to clean that up. I mean, if it was some regular dirt debris, I could easily sweep it up, but that's just mud. Muddy stuff. I got a couple of safety latches I think I'm going to use to keep you from rolling around. If I had been smart, I'd have put you guys down before I put the water heater in, now wouldn't I? We can still do that. Just do it on the other side. There we go. Okay. And that's how we came in possession of the water heater. Now, let's see. Where are we? Now, as I'm sure you understand, there wasn't a whole lot of weight there. The water heater and some empty computer shells. That was a whopping 280 pounds. And this yard only pays me 6 1/4 cents a pound, so that was $17.50. But the real issue was I needed to get some space in the cage and didn't want the stuff just sitting around. So I'm going to do a final check, make sure the lights are out and the back door is locked and stuff like that, and then get on over and unload. Hey, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's that little red button that's been in the lower right. It'll be the icon in the middle of the links that are popping up here to take you to more of my street scrapping and e-waste videos. Y'all have a great day now.